Well, cousins, if you can see from the title, this is an update on what been happening since the robbery. What up, cousins? Y'all already know who it is. It's your favorite cousin. And if you're new here, you can call me Shay or you can call me cousin. Because once you come to this page, we family. And welcome back to all my subscribers. I love y'all. But anyway, cousins, as you can see from this title, I'm about to give y'all an update on the security system we have got since the robbery. Okay, cousins, I told y'all I had some cameras that just was in the storage. So as y'all can see, I went and got all the cameras out the storage. This one right here, this is the outdoor camera. It can do all kind of weather. It's wireless. You don't have to worry about the wires. You just drill it to whatever you want to drill it in. And at the top, it do have the spotlight on it. That is the extra battery for. And y'all can go on Wise if y'all want to order these cameras, but I actually love my cameras, so I did not get rid of them. This right here is my doorbell camera. I had the Ring at first, but I actually love that one more than the Ring. This one was the one that I had in my living room, and it spin around and everything. But cousins, like I told y'all, I did have my cameras, but now I'm about to put them up. I do listen to all my comments. I read all my comments. I did see this man. He told me, look, girl, that was not a robbery. Don't say robbery. You did not get robbed. Rob was when somebody got you at gunpoint. He said you was burglarized. So let me clear that up. I wasn't robbed. We was burglarized. Watch it while you're in the living room. And we got them set up right here just to make sure they are working. So we want to make sure they showing up right. You got the other one right here, and the other one is in the other room before we actually put them up. So you have to make sure. And y'all look at that picture clarity. This is at night, y'all. And also, if you want to take it outside, you can see it on my the iPad too. Okay, cousins, as y'all can see, we do have them installed. And y'all don't mind that they say living room. That's why I had it at first in my living room. But I'm trying to cover my tag. But anyway, y'all look at nighttime. Do you see how good the clarity is on these cameras? And that's in like the back area. So I got all sides covered now. So y'all, I'm covered now, cousins. Okay, cousins, I wanted y'all to see it in the daytime. As y'all can see, I am sitting outside and I am watching the cameras on my iPad so you can see how it looks in the daytime. I showed you at night. And I want to show you in the daytime how the cameras look outside. Got one of them right there. And the other one is right here. And they do have the lights at the top. So when you come by, they do turn on the lights at nighttime. But cousins, I'm still not scared. I still don't even like locking my door. Because one thing about it and two things for sure. What's for you is for you. What's not is not. So, I mean, you can lock your doors and people still could. I know a lot of people said why you didn't lock your door. So with my door locked or not, I was actually grateful that my doors wasn't locked. So they just can open the door and get what they want, and they didn't have to break my windows out. So again, y'all, I love all the feedback. I love listening to the comments. I love y'all telling me y'all opinion on everything, because I don't know everything. Like I said, we just started this RV Life in April. That's why I started this YouTube channel, so we can give each other feedback. I can let you know what I didn't learn, because I have learned a lot so far. And y'all, they couldn't grass up here, so I'm about to get off of here. Okay, cousins, I am sitting outside, and as you can see, I wanted you to see this right here. You can move the cameras to how you want them. And I got this one in the one. Cousin, I just wanted to show you this last feature with a green light. Even at nighttime, it show you where somebody's standing at. So can't nobody be behind the car and you can't see them. Because at night, it do the same thing. It show you exactly where they at with that green feature that's on. And cousins, so y'all won't be lost about what I'm talking about. Make sure you go watch this last video that I did so you can get updated on what happened with the robbery, cousin.